In today's video, I sous vide a chuck roast for 30 hours and make one of the most incredible steaks ever. Apologies, this is in vertical mode. It was going to be a short, but it went too long and it's too good not to share all of it. Should I touch it?
Don't. Come on. Ew.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard
Watch.
that.
It doesn't even hurt me because I'm carnivore.
Okay, do it again.
Watch. Show my face. There's no pain.
Okay. Shh.
Listen to the sizzle.
Shh. That's disgusting.
No pain whatsoever.
You're just
Look,
weird.
I'm not even flinching. Carrie here, and I am using my Ninja Speedy air fryer. It has a sous vide setting. For like 30 hours now, I have a chuck roast in here at 125 degrees. I'm gonna sear the heck out of it. Now, you get these little bags and you get this little thing and it sucks the air out of the bag and then you just have the meat in there and then it cooks it. And you can't overcook it because 125 would be the internal temperature you want anyways. So I'm gonna pull this thing out and I'm gonna bring it over here. This is what it looks like. You just put water in it. Take it out of the bag and I'm gonna put it in here and I might sear it with this.
Oh, jeez, no.
Perfectly normal.
Yeah, this is real.
Should I touch it?
Don't. Come on. Ew.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard
Watch.
that.
It doesn't even hurt me because I'm carnivore.
Okay, do it again.
Watch. Show my face. There's no pain.
Okay. Shh.
Listen to the sizzle.
Shh. That's disgusting.
No pain whatsoever.
You're just a
Look, I'm not
weirdo.
even flinching.
Okay, you're just a weirdo.
And you can taste it too if you
Who
want to get
does
that.
that? Leave a comment below. Who
Look.
does that?
That's beef tallow. See it's shiny?
Okay. Oh, good.
Oh, we get the smoke going. That's what we want. So, ready?
You want to listen?
Let's start with the fatty side. This, by the way, is normally a meal for an entire family. This is me. This is what I'm going to eat today. We have tongs right here. Look at that. I almost need more tallow. Let's move some of the tallow around there. Oh, this one's going to be good. Should I hit her with the torch, Jen?
No. Maybe at the end. Oh, come on.
Is that big enough?
Bam! You didn't say it.
Oh.
Yeah, right?
Backfire. Here, you want to eat one? We had Dr. Elizabeth Bright on the membership site this morning. You got to eat more fat. She said women need to eat more fat. Men can get away with just eating steak that doesn't have a lot of fat on it, while it's got a lot of fat on it.
Oh my gosh.
Can we hit it with the torch, Jen?
No.
Come on, you know that's all the whole reason I did this. I've been cooking this thing for 36 hours so I can throw the torch on. Where's my torch? Oh, here it is.
Okay. Let's go over here. Okay, I'm not going any closer.
Keep closing up the bubbles. Is that video? Get the sizzle with the little bubbles.
Oh my god.
That's going to be the gravy. All right, we're going to take this. Why am I using this? We're going to take this off. And then this let her go low. This little knife sharpener thing is pretty cool. It's got two different types of coarseness. I'll have a link in the description so you can get one of these on Amazon. Jen, you gotta watch the gravy. Low and slow in a sous vide machine for 30 hours. It's a chuck roast. And then I seared it on cast iron skillet with some butter and some tallow. Where should I cut it, Jen? I have no idea what this is gonna look like. Quick interruption. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in learning more about our documentary, Healing Humanity, The Power of a Proper Human Diet, or supporting it, please visit donate.healinghumanity.movie. Our goal is to reach millions of people that are hopeless right now, and sharing the examples of real people over the course of 1 year that are undertaking a proper human diet to overcome obesity, type 2 diabetes, depression, anxiety, fertility issues. We couldn't do it without you. We thank you so much. We are also selling these shirts, Healing Humanity, the Power of a Proper Human Diet. Every penny we get from those goes towards the documentary. And last, we have memberships. If you click the little join button, it's best to do it on desktop. Under any one of my YouTube videos, you can join and become a member. We have hundreds of members right now. We do members only videos. We do members only behind the scenes. You can email me as a member and I'll answer you. And every penny from that goes to support the documentary. And the last thing is we have these Redmond's portable salt shakers. These things are awesome. You can get the best salt. You can take it with you. We sell these on the website along with our water bottles and cutting boards, and every penny from all of those goes 100% towards supporting the documentary. You can also sign up for our newsletter, which is completely free. All of these links are in the description below. Thank you so much for your support. Now back to today's video. Let me hold my fork properly so I don't get yelled at by the internet. Oh, it looks like ribeye. It looks like a ribeye. George! George! You want some ribeye? Oh, it's cooking. Look at it. Jen, look at it. Here we go. What is he doing? George!
It's going crazy. Oh, there he goes. Nope, I'm not even gonna follow you. Oh, he smells it.
Would you look? It's like it tastes like a ribeye. It tastes like a tender ribeye. Tender ribeye, prime rib ribeye all together, one piece of meat.
You get all that sauce too, you gotta put in it too.
Oh, should we dip her? How do knives work?
If I gotta teach you that, you're in trouble.
All right, here we go. I gotta hold it like that. People get mad. More. Oh my goodness, that is. All right, let's do one more. One more demonstration.
Why don't you leave a big piece in there?
We're gonna do it this way. This piece is gonna live in there for a little minute, but this one's gonna get poured over. This is gonna be the best beef ever eaten in my entire, I'm holding the fork wrong, they're gonna yell at me again. Should I cut to how I hold the fork properly, Jen? Okay, we're gonna put you over there, you over there.
Different.
Oh,
you
no, we lost one. Okay, here we go.
Look at this form, guys. It's really getting into it.
Bam! And then you take this.
Jeez, I'm gonna go over here.
Probably go over here, Jen will spill it all over everywhere, and then Jen's gonna yell at me.
That's okay, because mom cleans it.
Watch. Well, get in there, Jen.
I'm in.
Each one of them gets their own individual serving. And then just for good measure, one more from high.
Oh, really? Yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning the kitchen.
You hold the fork like this.
That's not how
If you hold the fork like this, the internet goes nuts. But if you hold it like this,
Nope.
they're fine. And if you hold it like this, everyone laughs and thinks it's funny, but like 4 people say I'm evil and I'm gonna go to hell. We hold it like this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Where's Emma? Emma! I can't even describe it. That sauce on there is next level. It's got like a nutty gravy. It's so good. Oh my.
Okay, do you want to end it before we leave?
What do I say? Look at that. How does the light work? Look, look at that. Smoke coming off of it, steam coming off of it. How do you end that video?
Say, go make your own, guys.
Oh, aren't you sick of Carnivore? 700 days. Is it 700 days?
Couldn't tell you, dude.
I think today's almost 700. There's a goat
yeah?
outside.
Yeah, we have goats, Carrie.
We have goats?
Mm-hmm. They're not to eat, though.
Oh my goodness. Emma! They're going to be like, I'm not eating until 11:27 a.m. I can't do that right now. And then this is all going to get ruined.
What do I say? More for you, Karen. Okay, you want to say bye, guys? Put down the light. You're okay.
All right.